Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about structural glazing systems. Structural glazing systems are a type of construction where the glass is the main structural element of the building. Structural glazing systems are a modern method of building construction that uses glass panels to create a sleek, seamless look. These panels are held in place by structural silicone sealants or metal fittings, allowing for maximum transparency and natural light inside buildings. Structural glazing systems are not only aesthetically pleasing, but they also offer great thermal performance and sound insulation. Not only that, but structural glazing systems are also durable and resistant to harsh weather conditions, making them a great option for both residential and commercial buildings. So there you have it, structural glazing systems are a versatile and stylish option for modern architecture. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on architecture and design. To know more, contact our mobile number or visit our website, link in description. Thank you.